How to download Google Form responses. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download your Google Form responses in just a few simple steps. First things first, head over to your Google Forms. You can simply search for Google Forms at the top address bar and simply tap on Google Forms sign in and make sure you sign into your account. Once you've done that, tap on the top left corner of the screen, which will take you to your drive, and simply open the form that from where you want to simply download the response for. Tap on three dots and go to open new window. Once your form is open, click on the responses tab at the top of the phone. Simply tap on continue. This is where you'll find all the responses submitted so far. To download the responses, click on the three dots at the right beside one response, and from there simply what you need to do is tap on download responses. Or you can also click on the Google Sheets icon. This will automatically create a new Google Sheets spreadsheet with all the form responses. We have only one, so let's download it. Tap on the three dots and simply click on the download responses. Simply tap on it and you'll be taken to a new window. Simply tap on save and you can save in to your files or drives. Simply tap on save, and that's it. You've now learned how to easily download your Google Form responses.